Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we're going to show you the programming of our LSA VGL 2P01. Let's go ahead and open that box. For the first step, you require 1 part 8, the board, 8 parts K, the screws, 6 parts M, the wooden dowels. The item does come with a screwdriver, but you can use your power tool. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require our previous assembly and parts C, D and E. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require our previous assemblies, also 8 parts L, our lockers, and 8 parts M. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require part B, the board, 8 parts O. The item does come with an Allen key, but you can use your power tool. Let's assemble. For the next step, in your previous assembly, part H, 4 part N's, and 14 part O's. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 2 parts J. Let's assemble. For the next step, we require parts F and G, 4 parts I, 2 parts J, and 2 parts P. Let's assemble. For the last step, we'll be fitting the doors in. Thank you for watching the process assembly of our LSA VGL 2P01. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our process assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.